Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about Semantic Kernel. This is a framework to build advanced AI applications. This Semantic Kernel is SDK, and we can build simple to advanced AI application in .NET Core. We can use OpenAI, Azure OpenAI service, or Hugging Face models. So this has capability to integrate Hugging Face models, and in that way, like we can use any open source LLM as well. We can use this SDK in our existing applications, as well as we can also create any new application from scratch. So the core idea of semantic kernel is around plugins and AI agents. Plugins are like code blocks, simply C sharp classes where we can, code some functions to perform some task or to perform some process or do some process in the background as well. So yeah, I mean it's simply C sharp classes having some functions, and the AI agents are like fully functional end-to-end process. So for example, in this example we want to create AI agent to turn on and off lights, right? Simple IoT application use cases here. So basically we will just statically turn on and off lights, but we can also call third party APIs or IoT APIs and just perform those actions on real world devices. So but here we are going to just simply play around simple use case. So let's dive in. I already created this application called my IoT app. So here we have this plugin, like I said. First, we have to add the SDK. So we'll simply add this NuGet package reference, Microsoft.semantic kernel, and then we can create a plugin. So here this is called light plugin, and the initial state is off. So the light is initially off, and we created two methods here. So two kernel functions, we can say, get state and change state. So get state, if you ask to the chat, in the chat, like what is the current status, then it will provide you status accordingly. And we have another functions which will just toggle the current state. So yeah, uh, and we can also provide a specific state, ask to change the specific state, and it will do it. So now we have to do is just use this plugin class in our program. So I already added OpenAI model to environment variable and also the OpenAI key. If those are not provided, then program will simply exit. So to use the semantic kernel, we have to create a builder and just instantiate it with model ID and API key, and then we have to add the plugin. So simply using this command line, we can add the plugin, and then we will initialize the kernel. So this is going to be a simple chat model. So we will also store the chat history, and then we will initialize the chat completion service here, and it is going to ask the user for like input command, and you can type whatever input command. And we have configured this applications to automatically invoke the kernel function based on the provided input. So that's why like it can be fully automated. We don't have to select a specific function. The openai will automatically decide, this SDK will automatically decide like which function to call. And the other stuff is regular, chat completion service, get chat message content, and we can just initialize it with other parameters. So let's run it and see how it is working. All right, so the console app is up and running now. So like we can ask what is current status of lights, right? So as expected, the current status is off. Now I'm going to ask it like, please turn on lights. Okay, if I hit enter, so light is now turned on. And if I ask it again, oh man, sorry, so it just crashed. We'll run it again because the null case was not handled properly. But anyway, we will run it again and do it again. So I'll say turn on lights, and let's ask, are lights on? Yes. Okay. And then, man, I again just entered by mistake. So sorry for this one, but we have to run it again. The next time we will handle like these scenarios, but this was going to be, a simple use case application. So yeah, let's try now. Uh, Lights on. Okay, lights off. Are lights on? Okay, can you on? Okay, yes. So as you can see, it is very interactive and automatically deciding and using the plugin, light plugin. Um, in next episode, we will explore some advanced use cases, and maybe we'll have some episodes where we will code this from scratch and do some, you know, more in-depth videos. This is all about semantic kernel for today. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.